Hi, I'm Anton. It's day 22 of the daily crypto installment program. This is a record of my crypto purchase transactions on February 1st, 2025. As usual, I bought 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, 10,000 XRP. It wasn't much, just the price of a pack of cigarettes, and even then, it was cash, so if it was lost, that's it. Today, we're discussing a very important topic for Bitcoin, halving. What is halving? Halving is the moment when the number of new Bitcoins mined is halved. This occurs every 4 years. The goal? To reduce Bitcoin's scarcity and control inflation. For example, if previously a block of transactions produced 6.25 BTC, after the next halving it would be 3.125 BTC. Because fewer new Bitcoins are being created, the price usually tends to rise, although not immediately. Many people wait for the halving moment to invest, but I prefer to invest slowly every day without having to guess the timing. Another reason is that I don't have a lot of spare cash, so I just invest every day so it doesn't feel too heavy. Bitcoin is getting rarer, but the spirit of investing continues. See you on day 23.